Today I'm making an easy chicken and rice soup. This is going to be good. To start, I'm going to prep my ingredients. Here I'm chopping half of a small onion, 1 celery stick. I'm also going to slice and chop fresh carrot, 3 cloves of fresh garlic minced, and 1 sprig of fresh thyme. You could use dried thyme in this. I'm also going to prep some chicken. You could use pre-cooked chicken to make this even easier, but I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper to about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to pre-rinse in cold water 1 cup of long grain rice. And for the liquid, you could use homemade broth or stock with this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder to 4 cups of water. Give it a mix, and this is going to be my broth. I'm also going to add an extra cup of water into the pot. Into my pot, I'm going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to start sauteing and cooking my chicken. I'm also going to add the onion and carrot, and start to cook and saute. Next, I'm adding the celery and the garlic. Now I'm just going to saute and cook everything through. Today, I woke up and had a sore throat and just feeling under the weather. Now, typically, I opt for chicken caldo, which is a Mexican-style chicken soup, and I will link my recipe video below, but chicken and rice is just easier and quicker to cook, so that's what I went with. At this point, my chicken is sauteed, so I'm going to add the rice, and I'm just going to give it a quick mix and combine with the rest of the ingredients in the pot. I'm going to add the fresh thyme and all of my broth, including 1 extra cup of water. This makes 5 cups of liquid into the pot. I'm going to add cracked black pepper and a pinch of salt and just give that a mix. Once this is done, I'll taste it for salt and adjust it to my preference, and I suggest you do the same. Taste the soup for salt. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and once it starts to boil like this, I'm going to lower the heat and let it gently cook and boil for about 18 to 20 minutes. Another thing that I like to do when I have a sore throat is to make hot lemon tea. This is kind of a tea preserve that I keep in my refrigerator year-round, and I will link the recipe video on how I made this, but this really does help to soothe when I have a sore throat. And today, I definitely have a sore throat, and in order to take care of my family, I have to take care of myself first. So that's what I'm going to do. It has been around 15 minutes, and I think this is done. Now, if you like more broth to this, you can definitely add an extra cup of water and adjust the salt, but this is perfect, and this is going to help. So I'm going to remove the sprig of thyme, or what's left of it, and then I'm going to taste this for salt. I'm just going to give this a mix, and then it's ready to serve. And this is very simple and easy to make. The herbs and spices are versatile, but today, simple is best. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.